Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 76 of Build the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our good old friends at DeAgostini. Now folks, if you'd like to grab this iconic 1/6 scale Ford Mustang in your collection, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be assembling this beautiful, beautiful car. Let's have a scope through this week's magazine. We got station wagons. Good old Woodies there, looking rather sexy, isn't it? Nice bit of Americana, isn't it? Yeah. With its impressive, aggressive lines, it says the Chevrolet Nomad was the classic 1950s station wagon. Yeah. Something the Americans do really well when it is the big old station wagon with veneers and that. Today we got the roll bar and the safety harnesses going in, folks, so we're going to be putting them together. Pretty straightforward. Just put the brackets up inside there, screw these together, and that's what you'll end up with at the end of this issue. We then got Formula Ford, organised in Great Britain in 1967, the year I was born, folks. And yeah, pretty much been going for half a century, it says there. Some of the races there, the Silverstone Classic. There's late great James Hunt there at the wheel of a Merlin MK11, the Formula Ford race. Yeah, held in Austria, yes. A lot of the champions started their careers back in the day there. So let's flick back and get all of our parts out on the bench so that we can see what we're up to today. And it'll tell us how this all goes together, folks, okay? So let's lay these out and see how they look. So that's the seat belts, folks. As they arrive, they're a little bit folded and a bit creased, which is a shame, but there you go. I would be tempted to steam them under a tea towel, but I don't know whether that stuff would melt, so I'll probably put them under tension when I fit them, just to see whether I can do it that way and keep them straight. But anywho, that's for a later issue. Grab one of these, and we want to feed this through from the front so that this bracket then flips over and engages, okay? So feed that through like that. And then we want that to pop in there on them pegs. That's what we're after. And it'll sit just on there. Like that. Okay. Those facing forward. Got a look at that. With those facing forward. And that looking somewhat like that. Okay. So let's grab a screw, put a bit of oil on it, and pop that in place, like so. Again, you can wipe any excess oil off when you're done. So that's now retaining that in situ. Pop. Here's what we want. Okay. I'm happy with that. So we'll repeat and do the same on the other side, folks. Same process. Feed it up through the front, just like so. Give it a jiggle as it goes through, and it'll just flip behind there then. Up and over on the two pegs, like that. And then the same process. Hold that like so. Grab your screw with a bit of oil and plop that in place. Like that. And then screw that fully in place. Just like so. Got a Q-tip just there. We can go around, get any excess oil off at this stage. like that. Happy days. And that is that ready to go on our Mustangs, folks. Okay, so that's where we are today. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab this and build one of these along with me, head over to the DeAgostini website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building this iconic Ford Mustang, folks. In the meantime, to help me out, just give a little faster a click and subscribe to the channel. Really do appreciate it, folks. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you get notified of future content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.